Get it in here, get it in here. Wow. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. And today I would like to shout out to everyone who is watching me right now. Those ones in US, those ones in UK, those ones in United Emirates, those ones in Kenya, Nairobi, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, and Uganda, the power of Africa. And I can't forget those ones in Canada. Thank you so much for watching me, and I can't forget those ones also in Netherlands. So today we're going to look at on how to do the cornrows, but let's first do this. Alright, you know when you click on that red button and ring the bell, it works for me a lot because you always be the first person to watch all my videos that I always upload every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So today we're going to see on how to do the cornrows. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, and you can style the cornrows in all ways, and this time around it's a French cornrows, and I'm going to be doing it in a straight. I will always do them in natural hair, and it does very well. And this time around I wanted even those ones who have got straight hair also to have a chance, yes, also to have a chance to play this hairstyle. And that way I had to get the extension, yes, so that it can match with the natural hairstyle. So this is how we do it, and I would like you to look at me very careful. If it's your first time to be on my channel, I want you to give me your time, and please don't forget to click on that red button and ring the bell. So I want you to give me your time so that we start together saying on how to do these cornrows, and I hope you will be able to know how to do it. So when we're done with that, we always cut some small hair and we leave it, and then we start plaiting it this way. Let me try it turn and I show you. I'm just using her own hair. Yes, I'm using her own hair, and you just have to keep on plaiting it this way. You just have to be plaiting it this way, just like that, just like that. You see how I'm doing it? I'm just trying to keep on doing it this way, just like that. You see, it is very simple. It is very simple. And this idea, I was like, well, we have been doing it with natural hair. You know, natural hair, you can even do that natural twist, like they call it twist out. Yes, so and many people with straight hair would come showing me the picture of the natural hair, and they'll be like they also want to have that hair. So I'm like, how can the straight hair be? And then I got this idea of just plaiting because if we try to add something inside, it will look somehow big. So if someone has got long hair, and another thing here, by the way, you just have to first see when you're plaiting these cornrows, you always try to make your sketch before plaiting, because you might plait and you find you don't have space where to pass your cornrows. So that's why I did that first sketch, and now it is confirmed. So someone gave me the picture of their natural hairstyle that I did, in this format, and I was like, and finding out she had the straight hair, so I had to do the same thing. And just because for the straight hair you can't do the twist, yes, you cannot twist her hair alone. Same with the natural hair, because for the natural hair you can do the twisting of your hair alone and it comes out very nicely, but on the straight hair it is very hard. And then I realized that I can just do the cornrows on the sides, and then after I can do I can apply the extension on top so that she can so that she gets the same style as the other one. So that's how I always do it. You can see how I'm doing it. And that those ones, if you find like your client has got short hair, let's say it is straight also but is somehow short, you can always add a little extension, so that it can stay firm. You see how I do it? I just remove this small hair. It's the one I start with. Yes, just like that. I hope everyone is watching on how I'm doing it. Just start with a small hair, just like that. I know it's hard, but you can do it. You can do it. Yes, you just do it this way, that way. See what I'm doing? Just like that. So you can also try it out, and trust me, you're going to love it. You're going to love it, and it's very nice. Yes, just like that. And I can't forget those ones who are watching in Trinidad and Tobago. Thank you so much. Those ones in Cameroon and Namibia, Zambia. Thank you so much. Yes, Tanzania, asante sana. So this is how we just have to keep on doing it, and trust me, you're going to love it. You're going to love it. It's very nice. Just do it this way and keep on plaiting it. You're going to love it a lot. You see what I'm doing? It's just perfect. Just perfect. Wow, so you can see when I'm done with it, wow, this is how it looks. And another thing I can do, I can try to do my magic here in front. Yeah, you see I'm doing it. Yes, just watch the way I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to do this hair so that it can create the cornrow itself, and I've just tried to add some little kinky. Yes, so that I do it, it's where I'm going to add my extension. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, just like that. I know you remember this, the way I was crocheting. Those ones who watched my previous video, you can see how we did this, and this was spring twist. I just keep on adding it this way as we are plating it, and when I'm done with that, you're going to see how I try to trim it out and it looks. Oh wow, yes, this is how it looks when I'm done. And then the next step that I'm remaining to do is to trim. And trimming is just you just trim according to how you want it. You might want them very small, still you can do it, but this time around I'm going to do it when it's a little bit longer. Yeah, when it's a little bit longer. Yes, just like that. Just trim according to the way you want it to look. You understand? And trust me, it looks so nice. Yes, so as we're doing this, guys, I would like you not forget to subscribe on this channel, and please, you can follow me on my personal account, that is Maurice the Crochet Master, and we chat more. Yes, so I remain by the name of Maurice the Crochet Master, and I love you so much. Please see you on my next video, and trust me, you will love it. Bye bye.